Welcome to the December 18th, 2017 Advance Report for McGowanGroup Asset Management clients and NetWorthRadio.com listeners. Today, a special report for 2018. One of the big news stories this week, Federal Reserve did two things. They raised the short-term interest rates, the interbank lending rate, to 1.25% base, 1.5 at the top end of that guidance. The T-bills had already gone to 1.3. That means the information leaked out of the Fed about 2 months ago. The Fed's leaky just like the rest of Washington. Notice, though, the 30-year Treasury. We've gone from 3.2 to 2.7 as the interest rate on the 30-year Treasury, while the Fed funds rate has been blasted upward by the Federal Reserve. Inflation for producers came in at 3%, for consumers 2% year over year. Inflation is picking up. That's going to be a big story for 2018. Today's report covers a potential solution in inflation-friendly assets as we go forward. So notice what's actually happened. While we've had a great bull market with new highs this week on the Dow and the S&P, again, mainly led by technology, there's another sector for 2018 that could be one of the best opportunities for income investors seeking capital gains. Inflation-friendly master limited partnerships. Here's your index. Now notice, this is oil. There's the collapse in oil to $27 at the beginning of 2016. Since then, oil's been in a relatively steady uptrend. Same time, though, what we've had from the master limited partnerships, they've actually declined in the 2017 calendar to about the levels where oil was $30. Why the dichotomy in the energy infrastructure with the actual oil prices? This is capitulation in our opinion, but it's also tax loss selling. Scooping up these high cash flow assets, infrastructure, inflation-friendly energy investments could be the best hedge against rising rates and inflation for 2018 and beyond. Likely one of the best opportunities for the next 5 years. We'll cover it in the long play program this weekend, NetWorthRadio.com, where Alex Tolene, our head of trading, joins me. Now, when I say inflation-friendly, here's the correlation and the evidence, but it also says, this blue line being inflation, now we have the oil prices. Notice the 10-year correlation and then the dichotomy here. There is room for capital gains on the energy infrastructure. Again, we'll cover those details this weekend at NetWorthRadio.com. Happy holidays to all of our clients at McGowanGroup Asset Management. I'm Spencer McGowan, President, and we'll be back next week with an update for the year end. Happy holidays to all of you.